What's going on YouTube? It's your boy RoyalKingBrian, and today I am back with another car video, obviously about my BMW 328. So right now I'm actually walking to get my car that's at the auto shop getting repaired. I already fixed my front brakes about like 6 months ago, but I never switched my back brakes. And now the reason why my car was left in Jersey, as you guys noticed from like a couple videos ago, I never got my back brakes repaired. So I got the car in the shop getting my back brake repaired, and also my inspection, because my inspection date is expired already. So if I leave my car in the street, I would probably end up getting a huge fat ticket. So I had to take my car off the street for a month. But now we're doing all of that, and they're killing me on the neck. But you know, I have to do what I got to do to take care of my car. So right now I'm walking to my car, and hopefully the car will be ready, so we can get to the topic of the video. So let's see.
You don't know what's in store, but you know what you're here for. You don't know what's in store, but you know what you're here for.
Yeah guys, so as you guys can see, I finally got my car back. Let me put the music down, I'm not too sure if you can hear it. So I finally got my car back. I passed my inspection, which is like the thing that I needed to do the most. And I could have not passed my inspection basically without fixing my back brakes. So let me see if you guys could take a look. I got new brakes. As you can see, like they're super shiny now. It was like really rotted before. So I got that. I just put the front brakes like about 6 months ago, so I got those. So yeah guys, so I'm super excited, because now I could do exactly what it is that I want to do with my car, and I've been trying to do it for the longest. Basically what I want to do, I'm gonna show you guys. So as you guys can see, my car is black. The main thing I want to do that I can't stand with my car is the lights. See the lights, the yellow lights? I feel like all the new BMWs have that like really cool halo ring. I'm not sure what it's called. People call it angel eyes, but some of them, I think the angel eyes are circle. Some people call it LED lights. Some people call it something else. I'm not too sure what it's called exactly, but my car is hexagon. It's a 2013 BMW 328 F90, I think it is. I'm not too sure. The newer model. Anyway, but yeah, it's the newer model in the sport edition. So yeah, I want to change the lights. Definitely that's going to be probably the first thing I do, change the lights. Second thing I want to do really bad is get tints on my car. My car is black, you can't really tell. Especially at nighttime, it looks like it has tints. But I wanted to put tints. I'm dying to put tints. It's probably gonna be the first thing I'm gonna do, since it's probably the cheapest thing to do. So those are two things so far. Those are like two major things that I want to do. The lights is definitely number one. Number two is tints, which is something that I'll probably be doing in the next few videos, like maybe in like a week or 2 or 3 weeks. I probably will be getting my car tinted. So if you want to see that, continue subscribe to the channel, obviously, and continue watching. This I'm not too sure how I feel about, to be honest guys, because I really like these rims. These are 18 inches. My car is basically a sport edition. It's not the regular base BMW 328. But I like these rims, but the problem is with these rims, they get dirty so fast. Like, I take it to the car wash, and like 2 days later I come and it's like dirty. Like, it collects dust like crazy. So guys, so like, I really like the rims. I wanted to have like black tints with nice like rims to like poke out. But the fact that it gets dirty so fast and so much kind of bothers me, throws me off. Everybody's like always like, wash your car, and it's just because the rim is dirty all the time. So I'm thinking about just getting black tints. If you got not black tints, sorry about that. I'm thinking about getting black rims, about putting just black rims on the front and the back, obviously. But I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure how I feel about that yet. But if I do get the car with black rims, black tints, and my car is black, I think it will be super blacked out. And I will have to change this front grille right here and make it black as well, like that shiny gloss black. I would definitely have to do that. So I'm gonna have like a super blacked out car. Let me point the camera. I would have a super blacked out car with black tints, black rims. I think it'll be sick. And the last thing I'm gonna do is probably gonna get like my brakes painted red or something like that. Just because I don't want to get new brakes just because I just got new brakes for the front and the back. So I don't want to pay to get brand new brakes on top of that. So I might spray paint them red until I need to change them again and get the actual red brakes itself. Basically, this is just a walkthrough of what I want to do to my regular BMW 328i Xdrive 2013 Sport Edition. I seen a couple on YouTube. I know some guy named Swift. He has the same exact car as me. If you guys follow BMWs, he's a great person to follow for BMW 328 cars. He has his car all mod up. I do want to modify my car. I do want to get coating done to my car. And I want to do a couple of things. So basically this video is for you guys to help me decide what to do with the car. Like I said, I already know I'm getting black tints. I might get black rims. I am going to probably change the front grille. And the most important thing to me, honestly, is the front lights. I do want to get lights. If you guys have any idea where I could get these lights for a good price, please leave it in the comment section down below. And this car will be looking completely different in the summer, promise you. So this is March. So I'm trying to get everything done by like the 1st of June, first week of June, around there. And if you guys want to see my car transform, obviously I'm gonna do it little by little. I'm not gonna paint everything all at once and transform the car all at once. I am gonna change everything little by little. So if you guys want to see that, please subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Let me give you guys a little tour of the inside if you haven't seen the inside of my car. Got the black strip, you know, the sport strip to let you know that your car is sport. I do have the 8-speed stick Sport Plus, as you guys can see, Sport and Sport Plus. Not everybody has Sport Plus, so if you do have Sport Plus, that's good for you. I have this steering wheel, which I kind of like it. I might change it to like a M wheel at some point. But yeah, this is basically my car. Black seats. It does have the red trimming on the seats as well as the steering wheel. But yeah, guys, this is my car. It's my first car, actually. So I'm really like emotionally attached to this car. It's my first car that I ever purchased. And it happens to be this BMW. So I'm pretty proud of that. And I just want to make the car as best as possible. I want to make the car last. I want to take care of it really well. And I want to make it look good just for the summer. The summer's going to be lit. This car has honestly changed my life. And yeah, and if you have a BMW 328 that you basically have, leave it in the comment section below, because I do want to check out everybody's modified BMW 328. And just I want to see how you guys did yours. And most of all, I want to collab with you guys. So if you have a BMW, let's do a BMW meetup somewhere. Like, I'm from New York, I'm not too sure, but I'm willing to go to Jersey, PA. If you guys are willing to come to New York as well, let's do a BMW car meetup, especially a BMW 328. I think it'll be sick. So yeah, if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, I make videos with my girlfriend every single week, but I also make videos about my car all the time. I'm in my car every single video pretty much, and I'm gonna be continuing hooking up my BMW 328i Xdrive. And I hope you guys subscribe and tune in. It's your boy RoyalKingBrian, and this is my BMW.
You don't know what's in store, but you know what you're here for. You don't know what's in store, but you know what you're here for.